All right, we're going to talk about churning. So churning is, in life insurance sales, is when you keep reselling someone a policy in order to keep getting first year commissions on that policy. So for instance, let's say you sell someone a policy, you're going to get advanced commissions. So in life insurance, your first year commissions are typically bigger than any other commissions that you get. So you sell them the policy and you're going to get your first year commissions on that policy. Usually the company gives you a chunk of your first year commissions up front. It's called an advance. So once you get your advance, then it pays out through the rest of the year. And the first year you may get a huge chunk of money, and then the next year is for your renewals. If you receive renewals, you'll get a smaller piece. Now, churning is if once, say that person gets their policy and then you get the advance commission and they pay for a little while, and then you have them cancel and get another policy so you can get new first year commissions on that policy. That's an example of churning. So it's like you're just churning business. You're passing business around. Imagine churning butter. So you get a deal and you're just mixing it up with a bunch of different policies so that you can keep churning it. And every time you churn it around, you get money that comes out. Cha-churn, cha-churn, cha-churn. So you want to make sure that you don't do that, because it's definitely illegal. It can result in you getting your license revoked, and you don't want that. You want to get your license and keep it, because this is an amazing career. So hope this helps you pass your licensing exam on the first try. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on post notifications. Check in the description of the video for some useful tools and guides that I have that could help you. Thank you.